looking at this equation here, I've got different bases. I cannot do this with different bases. I can't apply log properties to different bases. But I'm going to use this property that I know that, well, there's two things I could do. I can change the base, okay, to familiar base. Okay, so in this case, I can change this to all base 2. And changing it to base 2 allows me to make this, allows me to use log properties. And notice that these are all related bases, so we know that this shouldn't be a problem to change it to base 2. This is actually a number value. We can actually work out that numerical value because log base 2 of 2 is 1. Log base 2 of 8 is 3, so that's going to be 1/3. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So I've changed the base. That's going to end up being 2 log 2x all over 2, so those 2's cancel out. Minus, so it means divide. Okay, and this is going to be equal to 1/3. So it looks like I can combine these, and then I have a power out here. So subtracting bases, subtracting logs is same as dividing exponents. So I'm going to divide the arguments, x over x plus 1, okay, and then equals 1/3. Then I can solve this. I can undo this and get the x out. The cube root of 2 is equal to x over x plus 1. I can solve this linear equation. I get the cube root of 2x plus the cube root of 2 when I multiply by 1. That's equal to x on this side. Group my x's together. So I get x bracket cube root of 2. I'm going to bring that x, so it becomes minus 1. I'm going to put that over to the other side. And then solve for x. X is equal to negative cube root of 2 over cube root of 2 minus 1. Okay, this is a negative number. The cube root of 2, I'm just going to double check this, but I'm pretty sure the cube root of 2 is bigger than 1. Okay, so it's 1.26 approximately. So we're going to end up with, and I'll work out the decimal value for this. Okay, so we get negative 4.84 approximately. So looking at this, I have to check to see if that's actually a viable solution. And when I look at my x's here, yeah, that if I put negative 4.84 into here, I get the log of negative numbers. So this is an extraneous solution. Okay, so there's my extraneous solution. Okay, so there's no solution for that problem.